Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Tonesr ProstaVibe Bee Wellness Inhaler, whether it's legit or just another scam. So what's the deal with the Tonesr ProstaVibe Bee Wellness Inhaler? It claims to support prostate health through natural bee-based ingredients. Pretty unique, right? But is it actually worth your money or just another overhyped gadget? With disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. So, Tonesr ProstaVibe B Wellness Inhaler is marketed as a nasal stick that promotes blood circulation, reduces inflammation, and supports overall prostate function. The idea behind it is rooted in the natural properties of bee venom or propolis, but scientific backing is limited. On Amazon, you'll find mixed reviews. Some users say it helped them feel more comfortable or reduce minor symptoms. Others, though, mention it didn't do much or at all, and some were disappointed that it wasn't returnable. So results vary. There are no reviews on Trustpilot, and currently no major review platforms or health sites are talking about it either. That definitely leaves some questions hanging. For the final verdict right now, the Tonesr ProstaVibe inhaler doesn't look like a scam, but it also doesn't come with strong proof that it works. If you're into trying alternative wellness products and just don't mind taking a chance, it could be worth testing out. Just don't expect miracles and definitely do your homework first. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.